Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I am going to try another Rec-A-Ring with a word. And I am going to use the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint. I have a little bit of leftover paint in my bowl here that I'm going to use. I'm using a 9x12 canvas. And if you didn't see the last video I did on this, please check it out. I'll put the link in the description. But after that video, I took to Facebook and YouTube and I asked for suggestions for the next word that I should write. And so I'm going to take Kathy Coven's suggestion. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. She suggested I write the word smile and also suggested that instead of a stick, I use my finger because that would be a bit larger of Rex. Now the goal of this is not to have the word stay there. That's not the goal, and I will not be sad if it doesn't stay there. I think it's a little bit of orange. I really love this orange. I just have a little bit left. But it's just to give it a unique pattern, and that is what I'm all about, is finding what unique patterns I can get. And so we're gonna give this a try, and thank you guys for all of your suggestions. I doubt this will be the last time I do this technique, so I will go through some more suggestions. I got a lot of really good ones. Okay, a little dried piece of paint in there. All right, so we're gonna write smile. Last time I did the word love. And this time I'm also gonna just do a fancy print, I guess. All right, so here we go. Oop. And gotta have the eye. Okay, so that's just looking exciting already. Kind of sprayed some across there, but oh well. I also thought it would be really cool to use the Artist Loft Ready Mix paint for this because it holds lines very well. So once again, the goal is not to keep the word in there. If you wanted to keep the word in there, of course, you could write it in there afterwards, you know, or anything else like that. But this is just to have a unique pattern. And I think that is what we got. I'm also really happy with the color choices for this one. That is really pretty. I used primarily blues, but I used the yellow, which gives us that green, and I used some turquoise and some gold. And there we go. All right, we're gonna let this sit here for a little bit, and then we will do our close-up. All right, we're back. So we're gonna do our close-up. So I think I pretty much lost the S, although I feel like a little bit up here is kind of the top of it. This is the M, and I think that's the dot on the I and the L, and then we lost a lot of the E as well, but that's okay. I love it. Let's do our close-up. So lower right hand corner. This paint is really excellent for making lines, and it also has quite a bit of depth. This paint is available only at Michael's, as far as I know, so because Artist Loft is a Michael's brand. And I do not know if it is available in other countries or not. So sorry about that. Also, don't forget to check the description for all the materials and like links to my Etsy store and everything. So there we go. All right, thank you so much, Kathy, for the suggestion, and everybody else as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see y'all next time.